The Dance of the Moon, a journey of harmony and trust. Welcome to Eli and Omar's adventure. On a night when the stars sparkled like diamonds scattered across the heavens, the moon shone larger and brighter than ever before. Its silvery light bathed the forest in an otherworldly glow, making everything seem alive. Eli and Omar, two adventurous sisters, had been following a magical trail for what felt like hours. The glowing path twisted and turned, leading them deeper into the heart of the forest. "I hear something," Omar whispered, her eyes wide with excitement. Eli tilted her head, listening carefully. Faint but rhythmic, a drumbeat paused in the air, carried on the gentle night breeze. "It's coming from up ahead," Eli said cautiously. "Let's be careful." The sisters pushed through a wall of tall grass and stopped in their tracks. Before them was a clearing, unlike anything they'd ever seen. Animals of all shapes and sizes, lions, elephants, giraffes, zebras, and cheetahs, moved together in a circle, their feet glowing with every step. A soft hum of music floated through the air, carried by the steady rhythm of a drum played by a regal cheetah standing at the center. Amma gasped, her face lighting up. "Eli, look at them. They are dancing." The cheetah stopped drumming and looked directly at the sisters. "Welcome, travelers," he said in a deep, melodic voice. "The moon has guided you here for a reason. To continue your journey, you must join the dance of the moon." Omar's eyes sparkled with excitement. "A dance? I'm in." Eli frowned. "Wait. What happens if we can't keep up?" The cheetah's golden eyes met hers. "The moonlight will fade, and your path will end. But do not fear. The dance of the moon is not about perfection, it is about harmony, trust, and finding your rhythm." The animal stepped back, forming a wide circle around the sisters. The cheetah handed them glowing anklets. "Put these on. They will guide your steps." Eli hesitated but slipped on the anklets, their soft glow reflecting her uncertainty. Omar, on the other hand, grinned and stepped confidently into the circle. "Let's do this," she said, bouncing on her toes. The drumming resumed, and the animals began moving again. Omar jumped right in, copying the dancers with enthusiasm. Her glowing anklets paused in time with the beat, making her steps light and fluid. Eli, however, struggled. She tripped over her own feet, her anklets flickering dimly. The moonlight above began to waver, its brilliance fading slightly. The animals paused, their eyes filled with gentle concern. A wise elephant stepped forward, her movements slow and deliberate. "Child," she said kindly, "everyone dances differently. The moon does not seek perfection. It seeks your heart. Move in a way that feels true to you." Eli took a deep breath. She closed her eyes and let the rhythm wash over her. Slowly, she began to move, not copying the others, but finding her own steps. Her anklets glowed brighter, and the moonlight grew steady again. Omar beamed. "You're doing it, Eli. Keep going." The drumming intensified, and the dance grew more intricate. Patterns of light began forming beneath the dancers' feet, swirling and weaving into the air. The cheetah called out, "Now, sisters, you must dance as one. Trust each other, or the light will fade." Eli and Omar glanced at each other. "Follow my lead," Eli said, her voice steady. Omar nodded, mirroring Eli's movements. At first, their steps were clumsy, but as they locked eyes and focused on the rhythm, they moved together seamlessly. The glowing patterns beneath them grew brighter, swirling faster until they rose into a spiral of light that filled the clearing. The animals cheered, their voices blending with the music. The cheetah stopped drumming and stepped forward. "You have proven yourselves worthy," he said proudly. The moon's light will guide you on the next stage of your journey. The spiral of light condensed into a glowing orb that floated toward the sisters. It hovered for a moment before bursting, revealing a silver pathway leading deeper into the forest. Oma clapped her hands. That was amazing. I never want to stop dancing. Eli laughed, a lightness in her voice. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I think I actually enjoyed it. The cheetah nodded approvingly. Remember, the dance of the moon is not just a test. It is a lesson. Harmony and trust will always light your path, no matter how dark it seems. With a final wave to their new friends, Eli and Oma stepped onto the silver path, the moonlight guiding them. Behind them, the tribe of dancers resumed their joyous celebration, the sound of drums and laughter echoing through the night. And so, the sisters continued their magical journey, their hearts glowing with the lessons of the dance of the moon. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.